Hello, my name is Lawrence Shetty. I am born and brought up in Mumbai. Done my graduation in Thane, and recently I have just got my law degree also from Arunachal Pradesh. I started my career as a credit card recovery agent. I was doing recovery for Citibank. Few years later, I joined transport industry. I was the logistics manager for Total Logistics. I worked with Patel Roadways. From 2000, I have got an opportunity to come into real estate. These 2 decades have made me constantly stay in this field. Real estate has been a very big changing mode in my life. My whole family, my whole friend circle, the standard of living where I live, everything has motivated me and I have prospered in this field. Thane, I have seen from past 20 years how it has grown. There are numerous builders who have come in Thane and they have developed this whole place into a paradise, I should say. The roads over here, which were narrow lanes, have been converted into 6 lanes, or you say 8 laners. The Ghodbunder Road, there was a time when I used to see there were only 2 vehicles which could pass by that. One could go and one could come. Now I can see that there are 4 lanes each side, and it is more developing more. Even the metro has come. Within a span of few years, we will see the metro also running on this in the city, basically. I should first of all give credit to the developers, the builders who have really changed the way how the city was and the city is today. Whatever people dream, they have made it into reality. Builders like Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Kalpataru, Rostamji, Rahejas, Godrej, Yodha. These are big names who could not even think, the Thanekers could not even think that these builders can come in Thane. These builders have changed the way how people used to look at Thane. There was a time when I used to stay at Mahalakshmi in Mumbai. I did my schooling at St. Ignatius High School. That time we used to think that Thane is a village. We had never thought that Thane could be such a beautiful place. Especially I am based at Vasant Vihar in Thane. The location, Pokhran Road number 2 and Pokhran Road number 1. It's one of the beautiful locations. You will not get the climate anywhere in this location. It will be 3 to 4 degrees less in that area. The climate there always is chilled. The standard of living has changed. There are doctors, there are lawyers, there are professionals, consultants, maximum big timers in this vicinity. Thane has got good schools, good hospitals. All this is basically, I must give the credit to the developers. If the developer could not deliver what he has said, it would be very difficult. Because of Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani sir's dream, the people who thought about Thane as a village have changed their mind today. If you enter the gate of Hiranandani estate, you will not feel that you are in Mumbai. I am with Thane Estate Agents Association from past 2008. It's more than 12 years journey. Today I have been appointed as the president of the association for the year 2021 up to 2023. I was also the president in the year 2015-16. 5 years I was the secretary of the association. Thane Estate Agent Association is an association of brokers all over Thane. Thane city, Thane district, we operate all over Thane. We have our association strength of more than 400 brokers. There are members due to this COVID situations, many ups and downs people could see. But still, even today, the team is always there for any events called out by the developers. They are here as CPs, channel partners. They will support the builder lobby. They will support MCHI always. We are also members of NAR India, National Association of India. We represent Thane all over India basis. We are 2 members, me myself as a president and Mr. Rajesh Gadgil as a secretary. We represent Thane. At Thane Estate Agents Association, we have monthly events. We have monthly meetings. Advantages of being a member with Thane Estate Agents Association is you get a professional way of working as a realtor. All our realtor brothers are RERA registered. Maximum have their offices lined up at main junctions in Thane. They will work with full support for the customer along with the documentation is done. They will carry out the deal very smoothly. The registration part, the payment terms, the inspection, everything is carried out in their presence. As members, you get an opportunity to network with good time realtors, and we are here to support you. We are called out by the builders for any launch of a project where they require our support, and we are there for them. It is a hand-to-hand when a sale of a property is concerned. Apart from Thane Estate Agents Association, there are many associations in nearby vicinity. We have Kalwa, we have Ghodbunder Road, we have few more associations in the nearby area. Our mission is to get more and more members to work professionally and to work in the right way. We are also targeting associations to come together and work with us. Recently, we were successful in getting an association of Ghodbunder Road. The name of the association was SMART. The president, Mr. Shaukat, he willingly has rejoined our association. He was a member. They had come up with an association. Now they are a part of us. We will team up and grow more. Same way, our future plans are to explore in deep pockets, right from Thane up to Karjat, up to Neral. There are good time developers who are constructing very nice projects all over. So we want our broker fraternity friends to be with them and guide them professionally. The customers also should be happy with the services. In Thane, there are more than 2 lakh to 5 lakh residential units which are planned in the near 5 to 10 years time. This was recently said by Mr. Eknath Shinde sir, the minister. And MCHI will surely take care of his commitments. I am very happy to be in Thane and I love this place. I feel all Thanekars will not think of leaving Thane. We are lucky to have Mr. Jitubhai Mehta as the president of MCHI. MCHI has always been a backbone for Thane Estate Agents Association. We consider Jitubhai Mehta sir as our mentor. He is always there for us. Here we say that whenever there is a call from MCHI, as a president of Thane Brokers Association and my team, we are always here, sir. Thank you very much.